Hello everyone, CAMO Cowboy Outdoors. I'm just out here in the pasture, kind of where the forest is kind of thick, and I could hear a strange sound coming from back in the trees. I don't know, it sounds like some sort of a bird, but it's not a sound I recognize, so I'm gonna go try and investigate, see if I can find out what it is. Stay tuned. Well, I found the sound. The bird that's making the sound right there. Can you see him? That is a great blue heron. They nest in the treetops, and we see them fly over a lot. And you see them around the lake here at the ranch, but I have never ever found a blue heron nest on our ranch. And now I have. This is right in the thick timber, and it's about 80 to 100 yards back from the lake. That nest, that's a long ways up there. Where did he go? Right there. Let's try and get a closer look at him. See if that's the only one there. It looks like the only one. Let's go have a closer look. There he is. Now one flew away, but there's still one sitting here. Not sure how well the camera's focusing on him. It wants to focus on trees and limbs and stuff, but I'll try and get around to a better angle. I can't see him now. He must be ducked down in the nest there, but there you can get a view of the nest he built. It looks like it's a spruce tree that the top broke off, and then they just planted that nest right in there. Really interesting. Like I said, I've never ever found a blue heron nest on our land before, and there it is, way up in the thick timber, right up in the top of a spruce tree. I wish he'd show his face again. He must be ducked down in the nest. I can... There he goes. There goes one. There goes one. You can hear them. Well, there's a bunch sitting right over there. Maybe there's two nests here. Let me look. I think you can probably hear them. Yeah, there's a whole bunch flying here. So one was sitting over there, but that looks like an old nest. Here we got another nest. This is maybe the active one. Maybe they're both active. What a weird sound they make. Those are great blue herons. Let me try and get a better angle on it. There they are. Not sure how many are there. I can see 2 for sure. Maybe 3. Anyways, there we go, I guess. Mystery solved. So, I guess I'll be on my way. Thanks for watching.